So now I will talk about already, already, all right, all right. Already, ALL फिर स्पेस रेडी. एक होता है ऑलरेडी, एक होता है ऑल राइट, एक होता है ऑल राइट. देखो, ऑल रेडी एंड ऑल राइट, टू वर्ड्स mean that everything is ready or everything is correct or okay. The students are all ready for the test is equal to all the students are ready for the test. Your answers are all right is equal to all your answers are right. Is it? Already means that something happened earlier than expected. He is only 14 and he is already graduated from high school. He is genius. The repairs on my car are finished already. Wow, that was fact. You don't have to wash the dishes. I have already done it. Is it? All right can also mean okay or uninjured, acceptable or average. Are you all right is equal to are you okay? After someone falls down and may have injured themselves, if it's all right with you, we will reschedule the meeting is equal to if it's acceptable to you. The food at that restaurant is all right is equal to average, not especially great but not bad either. All right is a variant of all right that is not considered correct, even though many people use it informally.